Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
This video is to walk you through the credit and rebill process on a customer load, customer invoice from the route board. So we have our route board here, routes and loads. I've selected the invoices tab for the invoices portlet. And here you see shipping order invoices, credit and rebill. So I have one here that I'm ready to go ahead and do the reversal, which is the credit, and then we'll do the rebill. So basically, before we do the credit and rebill, show you here, what I usually do is if I know I'm going to do a credit, I'm going to expand this owning shipping orders section here and go ahead and open this up. Going to go to financials, and what I want to do is, you can see here we have our invoice already, and this is our customer rate. I'm going to update the customer rate first because when we're ready to create the new invoice, that's an important piece. We want the new invoice to be correct. So I'm just going to say that the rate changed on this one to 1.7. So now it'll be 1,606.50. So I'm going to save that and update the rate. Then I'm going to go back to my invoices portlet here, and I'm going to do my credit and rebill. And here I'm just going to say credit and rebill is my settlement reason. So I'm going to select credit invoice. This is going to create the reversal invoice. You can see that here, and it will have an R at the end of the invoice number. So we have invoice 3837 and 3837R. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now that's going to fall off that report. It's going to fall onto my historical report because it does get a historical activity. So I've already updated my rate on my shipping order. So here I am back at my shipping order. Let me go to financials so we can see. And you can see here we've got the first invoice, the reversal invoice. And now this shipping order has an update for rebill blue button. And this button is going to create the new invoice. That's why I suggest before doing the credit and rebill process, going in and updating your rate to what it should have been, because as soon as you click this button, it's going to create the next invoice. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now we have 3 customer invoices. We have the original customer invoice, we have the reversal customer invoice, and we have the new invoice, the 1,606.50. So that's how you do a credit and rebill. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.